at any juvenile justice center in Everett. His backpack containing his journal, stolen, but they still haven't caught him. They just know they find his stuff. Steals money from an ATM on Orcas Island, and in the process.
I got so many mosquitoes in here. Even though I have that net, I had my other window open so I could cook, which was not well thought of. But this blind the mosquitoes with the light and kill them has been working. But I have a real freaking crime scene in this vehicle right now. Shit. Oh no. I'm making mee goreng. This is way too hectic to film. I need to eat, kill all these mosquitoes, and go to bed. You're about to see the actual disaster that everything gets left in when I go to bed.
Always got tomorrow. Finish what we started. You can get a pump on my bike. You can get a hitch on my high. Always got tomorrow. Always shake the sorrow. The energy hits the hardest. Sunrise, right before the moon dies. Dreams are turning inside out. Dreams are turning inside out.
We have Cheerios for breakfast.
Close to see everything you try showing me, like how to slow down and take it all in. Find your love and fall into me. Don't look back and never think twice. Keep your bloodstream cold as ice. The energy hits the hardest.
Mornings look different every day. It depends if I'm like waking up in a parking lot because I'm trying to like catch a ferry or just in between places or whatever. Sometimes I'm in a beautiful place like this and I can take it really slow and just kind of like enjoy my day. I definitely prefer these over the parking lot ones. Because usually by the time I wake up, it's like there's other people around and it just feels weird to have my windows open. And it's also like feels too early for me to want to like drive around and find a toilet or find somewhere nicer to hang out for the morning. So I just kind of suffer for like an hour. My expectations for my mornings are a lot different than what reality is. I thought it'd be like a lot slower or just more routine in them, but it's actually just like chaos and it's different every day. It's not a bad reality, it's just different than what I expected. These fellow campers told me about, I don't know, a nice little beach down the way or something, somewhere to go. Charging extra batteries so we can all go together. Well, it's not a white sand beach by any means. I don't think it's originally where I thought I was going, but...
I know why you walked away from me. Like a boy who got his kite caught in a tree. Tangled string and hair, fighting with the air, and tears won't bring it back down to the ground. Oh no. Kitchen table altar in the sun. Hearts were starved, but we became undone. Sitting in our chairs, heavy, empty stares, with nothing left to say after.
Everyone drink some water. Also going to heat up leftovers from yesterday.
Some people run and laugh and don't care if they crash. Some stay